Hello, thanks for joining us today. Today we have Tate Groom, managing member at LifeTrust3D and author of The Best Policy, and we're here to talk about ILIT management today. Tate, thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Mike. It's a pleasure.
And then types of policies. What can be owned inside an ILIT, and what are you seeing out there for typically what you see owned inside ILITs?
Mike, just like you, we see term insurance, we see whole life, universal life, indexed universal life, variable universal life with secondary guarantees. I do find that the policies that our clients most like trusting are the ones with secondary guarantees. Just with markets, with sustained low dividend performance or sustained low interest rate environment, lower than anticipated dividend scales, changes in cost of insurance charges, we're finding clients more and more just want something that's guaranteed. As long as they pay the premium on time, there is administrative risk to no lapse guarantee policies. But those are the types of policies that we find a lot of our trustees really enjoy having. And now variable life policies and equity index policies can have a secondary guarantee feature, which I think is incredibly important. Gives clients some nice cash value and flexibility, still has this underlying secondary death benefit guarantees. And they're really not that much more expensive than a no lapse guarantee with no cash value. So I think the industry has a lot more competitive type policies for irrevocable life insurance trusts. And then I also say for term insurance, term insurance is something that is so often overlooked. And I think you probably get a lot of the same feedback as we do. Why are you charging fees to monitor a term policy? Well, just this year we've helped, only in April, we've helped 8 different clients convert their term insurance because they've had a change in insurability. They were super preferred non-smoker. I've got a 44-year-old we've helped that was a super preferred non-smoker, and now he's uninsurable. And these are all policies that have to get converted based on his old underwriting classification. And term conversion language is vastly different among insurance carriers, and even going forward, Mike, no 2 term policies look the same with a new set of kind of term insurance that's out there. So because so many carriers have gotten burned with these convertible term policies, that the only ones that are converting usually are the ones that do have some health issues. So again, term is just as important. We actually charge the same fee for a term policy as we do whole life, universal, variable. We feel like at the end of the day, if a life insurance pays a death benefit, we've never heard of a trust beneficiary asking what type of policy was that paid the death benefit.